What is up, ladies and gents? I'm Trogs here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to get my drip fly little jiggy blue old head outfit in NBA 2K20. So this is some gameplay here, but this is not how I'm going to show you, so I'm going to go ahead and roll over that. Alright guys, so this right here is the old head outfit in red. I have other color versions like blue, which is why I got mistaken in the beginning. I'm doing the ice dance here like I got a whole seizure. I'm just going to show you some scenery and then we'll get right into it. Alright guys, so this right here is the clothes. You're gonna want to buy this jacket right here, the City of Flight AJ. It's on the Jordan section in the store. This right here is on the shorts. I'm gonna show you how to buy it. This is just what it looks like on the character once you've bought it all. I'm just showing you right here. You're gonna want the golf hat too. That's the old head look right there. You really want that hat for literally any outfit. It makes you look like an old head, bro. You just want that for the old man drip, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I don't know why they didn't show the right sleeve here. I don't know why, it's kind of glitched. These are the free socks. It doesn't really matter what socks you will buy, but if you want to make it look even dripper, I recommend the Puma socks on any color you want. It doesn't really matter, but red or white will look really good. Right here, those are the shoes, and I'm gonna show you where to get them and how to get them, how much it's gonna cost right here. Alright, so I'm here at the store, Swags, the local 2K clothing shop. I'm gonna go ahead and go to get the shirt first. So you wanna go to brands, go right here. You see that right there? The jacket, Jordan City of Flight hoodie. The red one right there costs $2,000 if you got the Jordan thing, but it costs like $3,500 without it. Then the pants, you're gonna want to go to basketball shorts. The red ones, I'm pretty sure they cost $800 because all the other ones do cost $800. So yeah. And then last but not least, if you want to get some like compression pants or socks, you go here. These are the normal quarter socks. The white ones are free, which I already have, but you could get the Puma ones to look drip. You always want to look drip. For the left leg, I couldn't find it, but it's the knee brace, I think it's called. And then the right leg is sleeve, a leg sleeve. Pretty sure it was the Under Armour that I had on, but yeah, it's a leg sleeve. So you want to get those if you want the outfit that I have right now. You want the red leg sleeve and the white knee brace. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and go to the shoe store now to show you how to get the shoes and how much it costs. Alright, let's head over to the 2K shoe store. Man, I don't know why they didn't put Foot Locker like last time. Oh crap, I accidentally did the ice dance. I'm gonna try and stop that. Man, I can't stop it. Okay, there, it stopped. I was trying to do the animated run. Alright, let's go to the 2K shoe store where you buy all the shoes in this game, obviously. Here right now, I'm going to be showing you how much the shoes are going to cost, how to get them, and what section they are. So right now, the ones I have on, I think they're the Air Force high tops or something. So they might be in the Jordan or Nike. Hold on, let me check for that. Oh my god, finally found them. They're right here. They're in the Nike section. Just go one down. I don't know why my Xbox was glitched. They cost $2,000. I had to restart the whole freaking console. I don't know why. 2K, low-key 2K20 is kind of too many glitches. But yeah, it's right here. Get the red ones so that it matches the drip, the fit. You already know. You can also go into Shoe Creator and make them whatever color you want to match any other ones. Those shoes are low-key fly. But yeah, this is the old man drip in red. Yeah, that's all for this video, guys. I'll see you next time. Peace.